Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Creating a successful YouTube channel. Monetization strategies. If you have ever wondered how to turn your passion for creating content into a source of income, this video is for you. Whether you are just starting out or looking to take your channel to new heights, we will provide you with valuable insights and strategies. So, let's jump right in. Understanding YouTube monetization. To begin, it's crucial to understand YouTube monetization and how it works. YouTube's partner program is the key to unlocking monetization opportunities. However, certain eligibility requirements must be met, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply to join the program. Being a part of the partner program opens up various benefits such as revenue from ads, channel memberships, super chat, and more. Building a solid foundation for your channel. Now that you have a basic understanding of monetization, let's focus on building a solid foundation for your channel. The first step is identifying your niche and target audience. Find a topic you are passionate about and one that has an audience interested in it. Next, develop a unique value proposition that sets your channel apart from others. Determine what makes your content special and emphasize that to attract and retain viewers. Creating high quality content is vital for your channel's success. Invest in good equipment and learn about lighting, audio, and video editing techniques. Make sure your videos are visually appealing and engaging to keep viewers hooked. Additionally, consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Regularly uploading content helps build a loyal subscriber base and encourages audience retention. Increasing subscribers and engagement. To monetize your channel effectively, you need a substantial subscriber base and engaged viewers. Start by focusing on effective channel branding and thumbnails. Your channel's branding should reflect your content's theme and appeal to your target audience. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks, so create eye-catching and relevant thumbnails for your videos. Optimizing titles, tags, and descriptions is another important aspect. Conduct keyword research to identify the terms your target audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, tags, and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Additionally, write compelling descriptions that give viewers an idea of what to expect from your video and include relevant links to other videos or your website. Encouraging engagement is key to building a loyal audience. Ask viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to comments and foster a sense of community. This interaction not only strengthens your relationship with viewers but also improves your video's visibility and potential reach. Congratulations, you have learned some valuable monetization strategies for creating a successful YouTube channel. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Keep refining your content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your videos for growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.